we've dealt with areas of some hail today, and those storms are now starting to move off towards the south and east, and we're going to be left with drier conditions and cooler conditions here as we go into our next several days here. So let's go ahead and head over to the wall here and kind of talk about what to expect. First off, I wanted to show you these photos. This is from Brittany in Rising Sun. You can see some of that hail that she saw earlier, and then Brad just showing how much hail was actually falling. This was from Bear Branch, Indiana, and Switzerland County, or Ohio County. Um, and you can see what's in that area, but you can see some of that hail falling there with this video, how fast it was coming down, and quite a bit of it there at times. So here's those hail tracks, and you can see the larger hail down into parts of Maysville, Falmouth area, just north of Falmouth, and then we saw that our quarter sized hail here in southeastern Indiana and northern Kentucky, and we're shutting that off here tonight, and that threat for any type of hail severe weather potential has really come to an end. And you'll see the radar, satellite and radar storms initiated a little bit further north. Really thought they would initiate a little bit further south, but we did get some more rain around here, and we kind of got it off just a little bit to the north than what forecasted here. But this will all swing out of here as we go through the remainder of the evening. 78 was a high today. Forecast the high of 77, average is 65, so we were well above average. Before this update, we got 14 inches, 0.14 inches for rainfall. And you'll see tomorrow temperatures will see much cooler with widespread mid and upper 50s. I think this data is underdone just a little bit. Here's future radar. You'll see we'll clear out overnight tonight, and then we'll watch for a mix of sun and clouds as we move into the day tomorrow with temperatures in the mid and upper 50s. And then as we head into Tuesday night into Wednesday, watch for some cold temperatures again, maybe some frost in the area with us clearing out Wednesday. And Wednesday does not look bad. It will be a touch on the cool side. And then watching the severe weather thread here, this is for Friday. Indianapolis points off towards north and a slight risk of severe storms. And right now, this is a really good placement, but I do think as we wander into the weekend, I think we're going to be dealing with some severe weather here around the area. So tonight we're going to be in the 60s, and then we'll see that cold front move through, and we'll drop down into the upper 40s as we wake up in the morning, and then we'll top out in the low to mid 50s for highs for tomorrow. If you're thinking about mowing Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, you got good chances to go out there and mow over the coming days. And you want to get it done because as we get towards Friday, Saturday, that's when our next system moves in. And you'll see the best weather, for the week, 65 Thursday. And I think Friday's a good day, 77 for the most part. And then you'll see temperatures hang in the upper 60s, low 70s with daily shower and thunderstorm chances through the period there. So just watch out, especially northeastern sections of the area, for maybe a little bit of patchy frost during your Wednesday morning. All right, that's it for now. Have a good one.